Apple has released Developer Beta 2 of macOS 15.2, adding a new menu bar feature. You can now add weather to your Mac's menu bar. Apple does not mention this new feature when you launch the weather app, making it impossible to discover on your own. Let's change that and see how to show the weather widget in the Mac menu bar. Use the Apple menu to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Click to open the Control Center settings and scroll down to the bottom. Click the drop-down menu next to Weather and choose the Show in Menu Bar option. You will see a new icon in the menu bar showing the current temperature. Click on it to reveal the weather widget. The weather widget shows current weather conditions for your primary location, including low and high temperatures for the day, along with the forecast for the next 5 days. If you have added multiple locations in the weather app, you will see the current weather conditions for your secondary locations in a list below the forecast. If you want to keep track of the weather in multiple locations as you see here, you can add them to the weather app. Launch the weather app and click the search field in the top right corner. Search for the location you want to add and click the add button to add it. If you click the menu bar icon, you will see the new location in the list. By default, the topmost location in your weather app will be the primary location. To change what location shows as primary, simply click and drag the location you want to set as primary to the top. Now, when you click the weather widget icon in the menu bar, you will see the new location displayed as the primary one. And that's how you add and show the weather widget in Mac's menu bar. The update is currently in beta and will be released to the public in December. If you don't want to wait till then, click here to learn how to update to macOS 15.2 developer beta right now. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.